how y'all doing? Okay, we're gonna make a quick juice and it's actually really yummy. Okay, I actually normally use red apples with this combo, but we're gonna use these Granny Smiths because these are the older of the bunch that we have. So we have some oranges. I may or may not throw a fifth one in here, and then we got some carrots, and then we have some ginger. So of course we're using our Nama J2 cold pressed juicer. Swear by it, die by it. I don't get paid to hype them up. I just honestly really love the juicer. All right, y'all, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I hope that y'all have had a wonderful day. With all the germs that seem to just be like really scattering around, it has my nerves just in a pinch. And the second, I don't know about y'all, but the second that my throat starts to itch and scratch, I go into panic mode. And I don't play about that. Like, I'm going to the doctor. I'm doing whatever I gotta do because I got 2 kids. Jason just got over being sick. Shy just got over being sick. So I can't afford to get sick, y'all, because I can't afford to miss work. Let's turn this down just a little bit. I just have me some meditation sounds, okay, kind of going in the background. I just cannot wait until Friday, y'all, because I have Monday off due to the holiday, and I'm just, I don't know, like, I'm just ready to be off. Like, I'm just ready to be off. But anyway, I hope your week is going good. I hope you guys are taking action on all the things that you are trying to manifest for yourself. I hope that you guys are removing things that don't do your mind, body, and spirit well. And you are taking the time to choose you. Because you cannot pour from an empty cup. I'm learning that. I'm trying to make changes. So, still seems a little loud. All right, so let's get into some fun facts. Because I know y'all like facts. I created a little slideshow so that I can kind of give you guys a little bit more than 1-2 key points, because it's honestly really hard to remember everything. But here we go. So here are some random facts about oranges, or benefits of oranges. Of course, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a nutritionist, I am not a medical doctor, okay? So before you do anything drastic with your diet, consult with your doctor, okay? Don't be saying, well, Angie told me. Angie is not a trained professional in this. I'm doing my research online just like everybody else. So when in doubt, do some research, or when in extra doubt, ask your doctor. It's so simple. Especially if you got like heart conditions, kidney conditions, diabetes, blood pressure, like all those things, it's important to talk to your doctor, okay? So fun facts. So from what I gathered online, here are 10 random facts about oranges, the consumption of oranges, okay? So obviously packed with a lot of vitamin C. They may lower cholesterol, may relieve constipation, may boost heart health, can prevent kidney disease, can create good vision, protects the skin, keeps bones and teeth strong, so you have that nice pretty smile, regulates high blood pressure, and helps prevent cancer, and then can fight against viral infections. So, obviously oranges are a powerhouse fruit for us to consume. I love oranges. Sometimes I feel like it's a little hard for me to sit and like eat them all the time, but I can definitely juice the hell out of them and drink. I hate orange juice from the store. I buy it, but I'm not like a fan. So yeah, so those are 10 random facts about oranges. I'm sure there's many other things that oranges are good for, but those are 10 random facts that I found. Well, 11, I guess. So in my juicer, I always put the soft flesh on the bottom, and I do the heavier items on top so that the heavier items can help push down and get that soft fruit juiced well. So with our carrots, we're gonna do next. And let me get our next slide pulled up for us. All right, y'all, again, I did my research online, okay? I did not peel the carrots, I just washed them off really well. I don't see the need of peeling them, kind of almost defeats the whole purpose. We're already juicing, you know what I mean? But if you get a cold pressed juicer, you can actually retain a lot of the nutrients from your produce. Do I want to use all these carrots? We'll use all of them. What the hell? Why not? improve your skin, improve digestion, improve kidney function, reduces incidence of stroke, maintains a healthy heart, improves liver functions. It's antibacterial and viral, great for eye health, great for your teeth, and anti-cancer. So those are 10 random facts about carrots. Again, do your research, okay? Because I went online just like you can go online. And if you don't trust online, you can call a doctor, okay? Carrots are actually really sweet. I feel like a lot of people get like afraid of juicing carrots because they think they have like this earthy taste. Carrots, you guys, are actually really, really sweet, super, super yummy, and they work well with apples and oranges. And I also like to put carrots with like beets as well. All right, y'all, so next we have apples. So 10 random facts about apples as well, okay? So an apple a day keeps the doctor away, you know, that cliche saying. But it's also been said that apples can actually put you in a good mood. So if you're in a crappy mood, eat an apple and see if your mood changes at all. So apples can maintain healthy heart, release constipation, reactivates good gut bacteria, reduces cholesterol, helps remove toxins from the body, helps control weight. It's been said that apples can actually help control your weight due to them having fiber, which is going to help, you know, keep things moving, okay? Reduces the risk of diabetes, protects you from osteoporosis, and then helps with cancer prevention. You'll notice online when you look up a lot of foods, which is why like you'll hear people saying like we can heal our bodies from the food that we eat. A lot of foods like from the earth, it's been said that it can help prevent or fight against cancerous properties. So, of course, Big Pharma don't want us to know that, but if you do your research, you'll be surprised what you find out there. I know y'all like, I want to see this juicer in action, and I'm gonna give it to you, baby. I'm gonna give it to you. All right, I'm not gonna be able to fit all these apples in at one time, y'all, obviously, because there is a max fill line, and if I can't get my lid to close all the way, the juice is not gonna work anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on and let it do its thing. And then while that's doing that, I'm gonna finish cutting this apple. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, so as you can see, our juice well is filling up there, so we're gonna have to empty that. But I'm just gonna load the juicer with the rest of the apples. And then I got enough space to put my ginger, so let's go ahead and give us some fun facts about ginger before I drop that in there. It's said to help fight against diabetes, fight against infection of the body, reduce joint and muscle pain, hence the inflammation, has anti-inflammatory properties, lowers cholesterol levels, helps to maintain your brain health, helps to mitigate digestive problems, and helps clear throat and respiratory issues. So, if you are sick or ill, like if you have a respiratory cold or you got some kind of throat stuff going on, it's better, like, okay, yes, you can, I think maybe they have like ginger capsules somewhere out there. Don't quote me or nothing, but honestly, if you can stomach it, eat raw ginger. Like, raw is better, y'all. Wash your ginger, peel it, and chew on it. You know what I mean? But raw is better, okay? And then if you guys haven't noticed the pattern with this juice, each food ingredient that we've dropped in our juicer helps do what? It helps with the gut health. It's gonna help us continue to have successful and smooth bowel movements, okay? So we're going to keep everything nice and flowing, because the last thing you wanna do is be getting backed up, I mean, honestly. So I know that ginger is a little potent, so I'm gonna drop 2 knobs. Actually, I ain't scared. I'm gonna drop 3 little knobs. How about that? How about that? Okay? So 3 little knobs is just enough. I also consume a ginger shot every single morning. At least I try to do every single morning. And I actually have Jason on the same routine. Sometimes he forgets I'm not here when he's going off to school because I leave before him. But I do consume ginger quite a bit through the week. It doesn't prevent me from getting sick, okay? I try to eat, as healthy as I can. And I try to consume fruits and vegetables raw and then through juicing. Nothing is going to prevent us from getting sick. However, it does help us to strengthen our immune system and the functionality of our bodies, so that when things do arise, that we can potentially fight them off a little bit faster than, say, somebody who's not taking those extra added steps, okay? So yeah, those are the fun facts about ginger. We're gonna go ahead and empty our juice. I kind of positioned it here so you guys can see pretty good. That is just so satisfying to me. I just can't take it. Ooh, the sound and the color and the flowage. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this back on, and we'll be back when it finishes. All right, it's actually like overflowing into the top portion of the juicer. So we're gonna empty this here. So satisfying, I just can't take it, it's too much. And then we're gonna turn it back on because there's still some fruit that's kind of backed up in here. Not a lot, just a little bit. So we'll kind of turn this back on and let that finish. I'm gonna pour the juice into my pitcher, because it just makes it easier for me pouring it into my containers, okay? A little bit of juice in there, y'all. Every drop counts, honey. Listen, this food be too damn expensive just to be letting stuff go to waste, honey. So here's our juice, you guys. Look how freaking amazing it looks. The color is so vibrant. Like, it's just, I'm obsessed. I can smell almost everything. The ginger kind of stands out, obviously, because I added more ginger. So with ginger, you guys, if you're not used to handling the ginger, that's totally fine. Just start off with a little knob of it. Just kind of ease your way into it. Taste your juice, taste your smoothie. If you feel like you can handle a little bit more zing zing, then add a little bit more zing zing. Put a little bit more ginger in there, but baby step it. Okay, that ginger root is strong and it will overpower anything that it's put with. So you just want to kind of be mindful of that and take your time, okay? So let's pour you a juice. Oh, Father, can you hear me? Oh, I'm making a mess, y'all. Lord. All right. I brought 4 glasses because I didn't honestly know how much juice I was gonna be able to yield. These are 12-ounce containers. So it looks like we got 36 ounces. With just a little sip for me. All right, let's taste. Oh, so good. That's really good. That's really good. I ain't mad at that at all. You guys, honestly, this is such an easy drink that y'all can make. You would like it, your kids would like it. Trust me, okay? I typically actually try a juice before I even put it out there. And it's not to say that I've come up with this combination. I know I'm not the first person on the planet to juice oranges, carrots, and apples, okay? It's just that not everybody puts it out there and kind of shows you like the whole process and actually tasting it. Oh, please. Baby, we almost made the backdrop come tumbling. If I'm telling y'all to try a combination, it's because it's enjoyable. Nobody wants to drink anything that tastes like shit, right? So this is super yummy, packed with tons of benefits, okay? And ultimately, that gut health, that's our engine, honey. The gut is your engine. So if you're not having like regular bowel movements, or you're having a lot of constipation and you're just always backed up, police is busy out there. But if you have a lot of constipation, you're always backed up, you don't have smooth bowel movements, like you feel sluggish, you can't sleep, you don't have any energy. Hello, the same way you give your car an oil change, baby, your stomach, your gut needs a change. Like, it's time to refresh the system, and this is the way to do it. I'm just saying, some people can't literally chew the amount of fruits and vegetables that are needed to get what we need on a daily basis, and juicing is definitely a way that you can go so that you can, get your extra vitamins in your I'm telling y'all, Big Pharma don't want y'all to know this, okay? But anyway, like I was saying, so if you are backed up all the time, if you're constipated all the time, if you don't have smooth bowel movements all the time, you feel sluggish, irritable, moody. The sirens are really loud, so I'm really, really sorry, you guys. You are fatigued all the time. You're not sleeping through the night. Even if you are sleeping and you're not being able to get through your day without kind of like plateauing mid-morning, mid-afternoon, your gut needs a change. It's time to change that oil, honey. You need to flush that shit out, drink you a lot of water, and get you some fruits and veggies in your system. I'm telling you, it works. And I say that because I just have been on like this weird binge where, and I might actually just need to start riding my bike. I actually think I'm gonna put together a 30-day challenge for us to get on our bikes again, y'all, because I've been feeling kind of swollen because I've been bobbing and weaving through all these damn snacks, and I really need to get my life together. Like, stuff is starting to jiggle a little bit again, and we can't have that because we worked really, really hard to get where we were. So I'm going back to what I know how to do best and what actually works, and that's through the food. So anyway, I'm rambling. You guys aren't telling me to shut up. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you took something from it. I hope it inspired you in some way. Either eat a piece of fruit or juice a piece of fruit. Drink water and you mind your business, baby, because the world is just real ghetto right now, and we don't have control over that, but we do have control over what we're putting in our bodies. Hello, somebody. Amen, amen, amen. In Jesus' name, he said to consume your fruits and veggies, okay? So I love y'all. Spread love. It's free, but don't spread love to the wrong one, honey. Again, we're using the Nama J2 cold press juicer. You can go to namawell.com, NAMAWELL.com, and it is the J2 cold press juicer, okay? Cold press juicer. That's the best kind of juicer that you can have. There are obviously different types out on the market. This one is still considered like a little bit higher priced, but it's totally worth the investment, y'all. So if you can't afford a $400 or $500 juicer, save your money until you can, because you can get, for now, like a $100 juicer or something like that, but most of those are like feed-in juicers, so you can only put in one tiny piece of ingredient at a time. And as you guys can see, we were actually able to load our entire juice recipe at one time. So we save time and it's super easy to clean. But anyway, I don't get paid. I'm just telling y'all that I have it, I love it, and I swear by it. So yeah, all right, y'all. So I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, _lifewithstarr with 2 R's _. If you're already following me on Facebook, we're over there. Angie Starr with 2 R's. TikTok is lifewithstarr with 2 R's. YouTube is lifewithstarr with 2 R's. We are almost at 600 subscribers on YouTube, y'all. I am determined, okay? I've been busting my butt. I've been putting the content together so I can kind of push it out little by little every single week. So follow us on all of our social media platforms and subscribe to our channel today, okay? Not a minute later, not a second later. Get to it. Leave from here, go over there and add Life with Starr. Subscribe. Click the notification bell too, because you don't want to miss a single thing that we're finna upload, all right? All right, superstars. I'll see y'all later. Bye.